y'all? ¿Cómo se va, y'all? It's me, T. Chris, and Nangina. Look, we getting into the Cajun hydroponics gumbo cook-off things he got going on. we got it going on. We gonna show y'all, Bob. I'm telling you. But look, we got this special book right here, the last book of herbal remedies. We're gonna throw that into the remedies. We're gonna throw that into the gumbo, and we're gonna show them how it's done up here. Them Cajuns don't know how to make no gumbo. But what we're gonna do is, after we ate that gumbo, Lord, Gina would play her flute, and it was amazing what come out of it, y'all. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna believe it. Watch. She did like a couple songs, and it just kept, it was just amazing. It was like, we had some shaky going on. It was amazing. Check this out, y'all.
And that's what I'm
Boy, I told y'all, check this one out now. Man, y'all watch this. I'm telling you, it's badass. Joe, you seen that? I don't even speak French, but at the end I was harmonizing, boy.
That psychodat psychologist asked me about my drinking ways. Every question that he asked me related back to my childhood days. But if the truth were known, took to drinking long she was mine. When she
Man, where, I like that a lot, me. Yo. Man, yeah, look, I'm telling y'all, just a couple bites of that gumbo, and then Gina, boy, she was playing that flute. Look, you see right here, I got my coloring book. With my coloring book, I got my little plants in the side, and what I'm gonna do with that, Lord, I'm taking notes. I've done watched his video to make the gumbo like 5 times. The Cajun hydroponics dude, that dude's Couillon. I tried to call him, he won't answer the phone. But look, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make the gumbo. I've been taking notes. First page. You see? Delicatessen or something. I don't know what that means. But I'm telling you, look, we're gonna eat. We're gonna use that microwave right there and make the roux. It says we could do it in here, in the Yankee Chinese cookbook. You see this page right here? Presto canna. You don't need no canna to be making no gumbo. So anyway, y'all, look, keep an eye out because we got our gumbo cook-off coming for the Cajun hydroponics cook-off thing. Telling y'all, we're gonna win. I don't know if there's any prizes, but we're gonna win. And we're gonna go back to listen to some more music to head out of here, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Later.
never got no shoes on. You walk around saying God they don't. Man, you ain't nothing but a cool yawn. Ever since you was a little bitty boy, don't nobody wanna let you play with their toys. When all the little girls they were